Neighborhoods were safe and we didn't lock our doors. That was Chicago in the 1950s. Growing up was carefree as we rode our bikes through burning leaves at the curb and stayed out till the streetlights came on. We had water balloon fights on hot summer days and played ball in the alley. Well before our softball game or water fights, the milkman would come down the alley in his tiny white truck. The scrap man would come down the alley loudly calling out, "Rags and old iron." I always thought he said, "Rags so lion," but what did I know? I was just a kid. We captured butterflies, grasshoppers, and lightning bugs. We climbed trees, we traded baseball cards, and had a cherry coke at Woolworth's. Our Schwinn bikes took us everywhere. From the wild games played against the backdrop of the Pellegrino's home to the antics that only children could devise, the pictures bring to life the essence of youth's carefree and sometimes reckless spirit. Almost every day, the Good Humor Man and his shiny white truck would drive through our neighborhood. I remember an ice cream bar was less than a dime. One afternoon, my best friend Mike and I played chicken on our bikes. He was at one end Van Buren, I was on the other end. Our challenge was to ride straight at each other. When we were a few feet apart, I was to turn right. He was supposed to turn left. It didn't work, not smart. We collided. Fortunately, no broken bones, just bruises. It was fun, not smart, but fun. Just a glimpse of the mischief that children can get into, contrasts with the innocence found in the excitement over Hostess cupcakes and Saturday matinees. These memories capture the innocence and thrill of childhood discoveries, from the special treats that felt like the greatest treasures to the cherished memories made in the dim light of the Crawford Theater. My first job, selling papers, hints at the beginnings of responsibility and awareness of the wider world, a significant step in the journey from childhood to adolescence. It's a poignant reminder of how early experiences, whether they're playful adventures or early forays into working life, shape our understanding of the world and our place within it.